Welcome to Digitrends Daily. 2024 has been a groundbreaking year for technology. Today, we're taking you on a journey through this year's top 5 tech breakthroughs shaping our world. Let's dive right in and explore these fascinating innovations. Number 5 on our list is Meta Orion, an innovative leap into augmented reality. These lightweight glasses bring digital overlays into everyday life, making AR practical and accessible. With advanced gesture control via a neural wristband and micro-LED display, Orion enhances navigation, productivity, and connectivity. This breakthrough signals a future where AR integrates into daily activities. While Orion offers practicality and innovation, it's still in early adoption, keeping it at number 5. Number 4 is Tesla Optimus, the humanoid robot designed for repetitive or hazardous tasks. Showcased in Tesla's We Robot event in October, Optimus uses Tesla's AI to perform operations autonomously, from assembly lines to inventory management. Its energy-efficient design and scalability aim to revolutionize manufacturing and logistics, showcasing robotics' growing role. While its potential is massive, Optimus is still evolving and hasn't yet achieved widespread deployment, placing it at number 4. Taking the third spot is Apple's Vision Pro, a groundbreaking spatial computing device. With micro-OLED displays offering unmatched clarity and intuitive controls through hand and eye tracking, the Vision Pro merges augmented and virtual reality. This device opens new possibilities for immersive experiences, making it a tool for creativity and entertainment. Its high-resolution displays and innovative design make it a standout device. However, its limited battery life and premium price keep it at number 3. Number 2 is Mechazilla, SpaceX's rocket-catching technology, a revolutionary step for space exploration. Using giant mechanical arms attached to the launch tower, this system efficiently recovers rocket boosters mid-air, cutting costs and enabling rapid reusability. This innovation accelerates interplanetary travel plans and sets the stage for a sustainable space economy. Rocket-catching technology, Mechazilla, ranks high for its impact on reducing spaceflight costs and advancing humanity's reach into space. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is Google's quantum computing breakthrough with its Willow chip. This revolutionary technology performs calculations in minutes that would take traditional supercomputers billions of years. With advancements in error correction and speed, Willow promises to transform industries like healthcare, cryptography, and artificial intelligence, paving the way for a future of unimaginable possibilities. These 5 breakthroughs showcase the extraordinary innovations of 2024, each pushing the boundaries of technology. What do you think? Which excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Thanks for watching Digitrends Daily. Happy New Year!